Hey everybody, I'm gonna take a little bit of time to show a new project we got here. It's a 94 Z28 teal. I did go ahead, I've already switched the original rails off for these here. They're Z06, C6, Z06 replicas. I have caps ordered, only had one, so I stuck it back here. It's the teal paint. Car's gonna need some work. There's some mess up stuff on the back bumper. Back here, there's a few dings in it, but otherwise it's pretty straight. Top needs to be done. It is a hard top car. It also, someone's put a nose cone on it. I'm probably gonna find an original that has the dimple to put the emblem back on it, paint the black like the eyeliner, do black on the grill, put the little Chevrolet bow tie back on it, get a SS hood for it. It needs a dash pad. We'll go inside and show you. Interior's not too terribly bad. Pretty just the normal stuff for these cars. The driver's side bolster. The console lid is broke. I got to get all the power stuff to work. It was keyless entry car, but it's pretty not working. I got to figure out if it's the actual actuators or if it's the module. It's 142,000 on the car. Headliner sagging, it's got to be done. The AC still works on it. I got a motor that I went to West Virginia for. It's got the GM hot cam. I'm gonna pop it in there, do an exhaust, cold air, just some little stuff to make it more fun. Just a little stock LT in this one, but we're gonna put that motor in it because it's got GM roll rockers, the 1.6. It's got the whole GM hot cam kit. Probably do 2,500 stall. We'll keep the 273 gears in it for a little bit and eventually swap out and do headers on it. But it just knocks real bad. I don't know if it's a rod or main bearing that's spun in it, but it's a pretty good core to start. We got 285s in the back, 275 17s in the front, 18s in the rear. But I like that color. Teal is pretty cool. But if you like, stay tuned. We're gonna do a lot with this car. I'm gonna do drilled slide rotors on it. Probably keep the stock size. It's not gonna be like a real race car or anything. Once again, do the cold air, do an exhaust on it, the little cammed up motor, just to make it fun. Still hopefully get 20s on the highways, 23, 24. But thank you for watching. Please stay tuned.